My name is Cameron with Visionaire Windows, and this is 5 features to look for in new windows. Number 1, mortise sill dam. The mortise sill dam is designed to help keep water from coming into the window. Unlike most newer vinyl windows where the sill dam isn't attached to the side rail, a mortise sill dam is extended into the side rails to ensure proper water protection. Number 2, 5-degree slope sill. One important watershed feature is the 5-degree slope sill. This helps ensure water is flowing away from your home and not into the window. A window with a flat sill will keep water sitting on your window, asking for it to enter your home. Number 3, easy tilt sashes. Ever look at your window and see a smudge on it? Then you go to clean it off and it turns out it's on the outside with no easy way to get to it? Well, easy tilt sashes will help solve this issue. These sashes allow you to tilt the window in, giving access to the outside surface of the window for easy cleaning. Number 4, sound control. Sound control glass can be a great feature for your new windows. Busy roads, train tracks, and loud neighbors can all be an annoyance. Sound control glass will help cut down on the noise coming into your home. Number 5, foam-filled sash and frame. Energy efficiency is a big topic in the window industry. Having new windows with foam in the sash and the frame is a huge advantage in this category. The foam will help stop the transfer of temperature through the frame of the window, keeping your home comfortable. Do any of these features sound great to you? If so, contact us at Visionaire Windows. We'll help you out. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, smash the subscribe button.